Some people were naturally smart, and some people were naturally smart, and people like me were just ordinary. Because of this belief, I gave up very quickly. If something was difficult, I stopped trying. If I failed once, I said to myself, "This is not for me." One day, our school announced a running race. Many students were excited, but I knew something about myself. I was not fast. In sports class, I always finished last. When my friends registered for the race, they asked me to join. I refused immediately. I said, "What is the point? I will lose anyway." But my sports teacher heard this. He walked toward me and said, "Aman, why do you decide the result before the race begins?" I did not answer. He continued, "Winning is good, but trying is more important. People who never try never grow." Those words stayed in my mind. That evening, I thought deeply. Maybe I would lose, but maybe I could improve. So the next morning, I started practicing. The first day was terrible. After 5 minutes of running, I felt exhausted. My legs hurt. My breathing became heavy. I wanted to stop, but I remembered my teacher's words. Trying is more important. So I ran again the next day, and the next. Some days were easy, some days were difficult. But slowly, something started changing. My stamina improved, my confidence improved. When the race day arrived, I was still nervous. Many students were faster than me. When the whistle blew, everyone started running. At first, I was behind, but I kept running, step by step. Halfway through the race, I felt tired. My mind said, "Stop," but another voice said, "Keep going." I continued running. In the end, I did not win first place. I did not win second place, but I finished the race much faster than before. My teacher smiled. He said, "Aman, today you won something more important than a medal. You won against your doubt." That moment changed me. I realized something powerful. Success is not about being perfect. Success is about persistence. Many people stop when things become difficult, but the people who continue eventually grow stronger. Since that race, I stopped quitting easily. If something is difficult, I practice more. If I fail, I try again. Because every effort builds strength, and every small improvement moves me forward. Now I understand. Giving up is easy. Continuing is powerful. Final thought. Progress may be slow, but as long as you keep moving, you are moving closer to success. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep practicing daily. And always remember, never giving up is the greatest strength.